Introduce highlight features or overview summary for PWAY, 4K, wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: superior transmission range of 150 m utilizing a dual antenna system and advanced 5 GHz technology. This wireless HDMI extender delivers a strong, stable signal up to 492 feet in open environments, perfect for expansive spaces. Note: interference from walls or other obstacles may affect signal strength and range. Ultra HD 4K wireless streaming. Experience seamless wireless transmission with support for 4K at 30 Hz/1080p at 60 Hz resolution, ensuring clear, vibrant visuals with minimal latency. Whether for gaming, streaming, or presentations, this system provides a reliable connection. Note: requires HDMI 1.4 or higher cable for 4K input. Expect a slight delay, 0.15 second, in real-time content. HDMI loop out for local monitoring. The wireless HDMI extender features an HDMI loop out function, allowing you to connect an additional display directly to the transmitter for local monitoring. This feature enables you to view the content on a nearby screen while simultaneously streaming to a remote display, providing real-time oversight and flexibility in your setup. Quick and easy plug-and-play setup. Say goodbye to complicated installations. With this wireless HDMI extender, simply connect your devices, and you're ready to go. No additional software or drivers needed. Enjoy a clutter-free environment with this easy plug-and-play solution. Extensive device compatibility. This wireless HDMI kit is compatible with a wide range of HDMI-enabled devices, including TVs, projectors, laptops, Blu-ray players, and more. Perfect for home theaters, offices, churches, and professional presentations, offering broad compatibility for various needs. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.